more value governance from the centralized platform to the user. So that is the stuff which we will be covering tonight in this amazing session for everyone. So moving on to this pro topic, I will give you some rough information exactly how things are changing, what was Web 2 and how Web 3 is taking over. Okay. So everybody knows Web 2 was like where Google, Facebook, Amazon, Spotify and different social media platform had made huge profitability in terms of, because they were owing that platform, the profit generated by them was in $1 billion industry currently if you will compare, because Web 2 was a emerging technology that period of time. But now, being a owner of all this platform, people also wanted to make value, wanted to get value for their time. So Web 3 is giving creator and even the people who are using the platform an opportunity to make profit. And that is done because of the smart contract, which is automated and fair sharing, and it is not controlled by any third person or middleman, because of user gaining the ownership and control, and because of various different community rewards that are being distributed. And this is, everything is possible because of the Web3. So we will see like how it gives more value, how things are changing, and how you will be maximizing on it.